Earbuds are a must when you're on the go, but if you store them in your pocket, you're gonna have a bad time. This customizable earbud case is perfect for traveling and can also be used to store coins or other small objects. So let's get to it. I'm using a circular template for this case that's about 4.5 inches in diameter. Feel free to use this template or cut out pieces to your desired size. Cut out 2 pieces from the main fabric and 2 pieces from the lining fabric. Cut in half 1 main fabric circle and 1 lining fabric circle. Align the edge of 1/2 piece of main fabric on the zipper with the right side facing down. Align the edge of 1/2 piece of lining fabric on top with the right side facing up. Clip in place and sew with the 1/8 or 1/4 inch seam allowance. Fold both pieces down and top stitch close to the edge. Repeat with the other half pieces to attach to the other side of the zipper. Move the zipper head close to the middle and sew across the zipper at both ends of the circle. You can trim the ends of the zipper now or wait until after the next step. Adding a keyring or clip is optional, but really helps make this case more travel friendly. Cut a 1.5 by 3 inch piece of the main fabric. Fold the longer ends into the middle of the wrong side and fold in half again. Sew close to the fold. Slide the keyring or clip onto this piece and sew across to secure it. Lay the key clip piece on the right side of the zipper piece. Place the other main fabric circle on top, right side down, and place the other lining circle on top of this with the right side facing up. Make sure the zipper is open enough to turn right side out later. Sew around the circle, backstitching at both ends. Trim the extra fabric and zipper if you haven't already. Turn right side out through the open zipper, and the case is done. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and we'll see you next time.